Tom, I was really impressed with the success you've had in acquiring and selling portions of your firm and the success of your business. And I really appreciated you participating today. It was really fun to be with you, and your questions were great. Can you give your name, your company name, where you're located, and then what you picked up today from today's meeting?
Sure. Tom Embley, Precision Air Convey, Newark, Delaware, industrial manufacturer. And today was great. I really appreciate all you showed and offered to us. One of the main things I got out of today was being able to graph my cash flows and getting a better understanding of the ins, the outs. You know, that can be such a confusing area. Another is the productivity index. Being able to look at revenue versus payroll and understanding, you know, where my gaps, where I'm making, where I'm losing is huge. And then a real quick, easy one is just the looking at how we do our terms and putting due dates on things. It's gonna put money in it's gonna put cash in our pockets sooner.
Yeah, the net 30 is going to guarantee you're going to collect in 40 to 60 days, right? Yeah. Whereas if you put the due date, it's going to be coming in on the due date. And your productivity, besides the revenue per payroll, you can get gross margin, contribution margin, and net income per payroll, so you can actually see the profitability. I just want to make a recommendation. I was a chair in Vistage for 8 years. I think it's the most important decision an executive can make is join a Vistage group. The history in my group is we 5 to 10 times revenue, profits, and value during the tenure when they were in my group. So I highly recommend any executive find a Vistage group. Thank you for your time.
Thanks.